In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get unlimited day trades on Robinhood and show you exactly how to check your current day trade status. If you're someone interested in day trading or just find yourself running into restrictions on how often you can buy and sell stocks in a single day, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. I'll also explain important details and tips you should know before making any changes to your account. Let's start with checking your current day trade limit on Robinhood. First, open your web browser and head to robinhood.com, then log in using your account credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the account icon. From the drop-down, select Settings. Now, in the Settings menu, choose Investing. Here, you'll find a section labeled Day Trade Status. Clicking on this will show you your current 3-day trade limit. This is important because, by default, most users who have less than $25,000 in their accounts are limited to just 3 day trades within any rolling 5-day period. If you exceed this, you'll be flagged for pattern day trading and may face restrictions. Now, you might be wondering how you can lift this limit and unlock unlimited day trades on Robinhood. There are really only 2 ways to do this within the platform. The first method is to increase your account balance to at least $25,000. To do this, go back to the account section and choose Transfers. Here you can use the Add Money option to deposit funds into your account. Keep making deposits until your portfolio value reaches or exceeds the $25,000 threshold. As soon as your balance hits this mark, the pattern day trader limitation will be automatically lifted by Robinhood and you'll have the freedom to make unlimited day trades without any further restrictions. The second option is to switch your account type to a cash account. To do this, return to Account, then head to Settings and then tap on Investing. Look for account type and select Cash. You'll be prompted to review and confirm the switch. Go ahead and click Confirm to finalize the change. With a cash account, you're no longer subject to the pattern day trader rule, meaning you can make as many day trades as you'd like. However, it's crucial to understand that you'll need to wait for your trades to settle, which typically takes 2 business days. This is often referred to as T+2 settlement. You'll only be able to use settled cash for new trades, so there's a short wait after each transaction before your funds become available again. Choosing between these 2 methods depends on your individual circumstances, whether you'd rather maintain a higher account balance or prefer to work within the cash settlement period. Make sure you fully understand the implications of each option, and as always, consider your trading strategy and personal financial goals before making any changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate your day trading journey on Robinhood with confidence.